Hello everyone, in front of me is VIVO Y31 and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So at first enroll the settings, then find and select system management, and here go to date and time. So at first you need to switch off automatic date and time, so unmark the stop indicator, and now you can smoothly change both date and time manually by yourself. Just open date, pick the one that you want to set, tap on OK, and just do the same with time. And that's it. From now on, this brand new date and time is active. Obviously, whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just mark the indicator at the top and it will be set automatically again. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.